Inkuyanja bachero kweshuka rumina omutano kanso ya Uhimba district ya Kikube okuziko bira chairman wa district Peter Banura owisirwa motoka ya taxi rwa mukaga ebiro bino kwezoku
nimuteka ikyakyo nitulaga chairman waitu. Those are the aunties and the uncles.
Ninyo gwomezi akunyikiriza n'obwalifa aliomera Peter tuturuku murora hati aturugireho baitu tumanyira kimu ayomeire. Kristo aisiwe.
Orukuru Kigombe ekirukugita ba chairman baza district omwihanga Andrew Moses Alwanyi ne Fakas Mebo Banura bawereka kushasha habo abantu abarukutunga za permit bitu batarakumanya kuvuga byiruka.
People using the road know the do's and the don'ts on the road, and so I think this must help us to step up so that we save the lives of other Ugandans that are still alive.
It is terrible with our transport system. Our roads are killing us. If we could probably benchmark from those first world countries and find out how they manage to have a good road system, and we can pick up a little leaf and the driving licenses, if we could strengthen and make stiff how these licenses are issued, I believe we could make a change somehow.
Engudo eyahoima Kagadi Fort Portal Road haroho black spots nka 2-3 ekubandiriza kimweri mayirirwaho hakafweraho abantu abatali hansi y'omusanju tukusaba kandi nekihandiko kakitunga abo kutekaho hampusa kichweke ekyo kandi twongera kusaba kitoze bwa hano n'ogyagenda musajja mukuru aho naho abantu bayingi bafwereireho.
Retired Major General Matia Chargonza ishewo mjenzi Peter Banura yasime nkuyanja yahikaha kuziko mtabani.
Basaba inyo abantu babunyoro n'abanyuganda bayiraba omutima guno mulemo kuhindura mulemo kurora Chargonza nyo mukundora nkwasire kigo bati nyojaro nkuhuna
telera tabe gikorwa kurora nti turwatize mvugambi hangudo one uhali motoka zitasemerire go hangudo ezikuhimbe kihingura ine abakozese bibazibazi no kubatayina empapuro zikwekiriza kuvuga rundi permit.
Omubutumwa bwa President General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni obwashomenganzi ihanga Robin Nabanja yashasha okuferwa empaji kandi yamusima obutashorora no kurwanira entunguka.
As LC5 chairperson, it is evident that he had earned the trust of the population in Kikube district because he championed a pro-people agenda by prioritizing unity, wealth creation, construction of roads, tourism, environmental conservation, etc.
President Museveni yahaye amazika ga miliyoni 20.
Peter Banura showed courage by offering leadership in a newly formed district. He will be remembered for all the developmental projects that he initiated in Kikube district.
Banura yafera myaka 88 kandi yasiga abana bashatu ne Fakas gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.